So now it's time to learn about the next data type, which is the map. Map is also a very important data type. When we are building a Flutter application, mostly you will use list or map, or you will use map inside list. Right now, if you are getting confused, no issue. In the later videos, you will understand what I meant to say. So, what is a map? A map is a simple key value pair, which means w- earlier when it was a list, you can just see it was the value, but it doesn't have any name. You can just say it had that index in them from which we can call them, but it didn't have a name. So when the data is very long or when there is a lot of data, it's very difficult to remember the index of the value. In that case, maps are very handy. So let's see what it means. The key will be of string type, but the values in a map may be of any type. That is, key will be suppose name, then the value can be string, that is Rahul, Flutter, whatever, but also the key name can have 22 or 23, whatever numeric values. So it's not uh, mandatory to use only string as its value. To declare a map, we can use the map constructor, that is this one, or you need to enclose the key value pairs within a curly brackets like this. Let's start by creating our first map. Again, I will remove all this data and start with a clean slate. Now, when we are using a map constructor, you can just write var fruits is equal to map. And after that, in the fruits, you can write apple as the key. Just remember, as the key. And its value will be red. Now, if I print fruits variable, and here var, or also you can use map as a data type, there won't be any error. See this apple and red. Apple is the key and red is the value. So most of the time we don't need this key. We need this value of red. To print that, you simply have to write the map variable name and then the key, which is apple. Now run your program, and in the output you will see red. See, this is how we do it. This is how map is being used. Now, again, if we want to add another value of banana with a value of yellow, and again first print the whole map so that you can see how it is being displayed. It's like first key is apple, then the value is red, then comma, second key is banana, and value is yellow. Now you might ask me, let's print out yellow value. In that case, first I have to write the map name, then the key, which is banana. A, a more valid example you can say will be some users map, and that we will do using map literal. Earlier this is done using map constructor. Now we will declare a map using curly braces directly, which means I have a map of user. Then here, first key will be name Bill Gates. Second, you can say age. I don't know this exact age, but it will suppose example 80. And third way will be founder, and it will again be a string Microsoft. So here you can see this is how we declare a map. This is also a type of data type which will hold multiple values, like just like list. So now if I want, I will just write print user, and then I will just comment the above lines. See, name Bill Gates, age 80, founder Microsoft. Also, in the same way, if you want, like print, I will show you how to print a very new, not new, it's like form a sentence. Founder of, then for the Microsoft, I will just write founder is, now again I will write user and then name. Here I am using concatenation, and you will learn how to fetch the value from a map. I guess there is some error again. Must end with this. Yep, I know what I did the error here. It's a very basic mistake, nothing much. In programming, you are used to this kind of silly mistakes. Now you get the output founder of Microsoft is Bill Gates. So this is the way how you will output the data in your real application. It's a very important thing to learn. Also, you can also print the length of the map as we done before in the list. It will be 3. That is, there are 3 values. See, 3 values. Other operations includes, suppose user dot, you will see. If I just write user print keys, it will show all the keys, that is name, age, founder, so that if you forgot also, then you can just check it out. And suppose from the keys you want the values, that is, you don't remember any of the keys, but you want to fetch all the values, then you have to use a function or operation like user dot for each. That is, it will go through the map with this key value, and you can just write print. If you want value, you can just print the value. I will again comment down the above thing and print and run it. And now you will see Bill Gates, 80, and Microsoft. This is how you loop through the map. And you don't have to take this much stress. In the upcoming sessions, we'll be talking deeply about loops. But right now, our concern was map, and we have learned a lot. The final operation, which is important, obviously there are a lot of operation you can see, but the final, if you can say, it's like remove. If you want to remove a key, you can just write remove, then the key name will be name, and after that if you print, then you won't see Bill Gates here. See, Bill Gates was removed from the map. So that's it. This is the basic concepts. I hope you just understood the basic thing, because to master the list or map, you have to practice it while building a real world application. Thank you.